Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest e-commerce tips to help you grow your online store. Today, we're tackling how to connect PayPal to Shopify in 2025. With digital payments evolving rapidly, integrating PayPal can streamline your transactions, boost customer trust, and make checkout a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will get you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a Shopify account and a verified PayPal business account ready. Log into your Shopify dashboard. It's the hub for all your store management. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings menu, usually found in the bottom left corner. Click on Payments or Payment Providers to see your options. Here, you'll find a list of available gateways. Look for PayPal and select it to add. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your PayPal details. This might include your PayPal email, API credentials, or even a client ID if you're using the latest 2025 updates for enhanced security. Don't worry if this sounds technical, Shopify makes it user-friendly. Just follow the on-screen instructions to link your accounts. Remember, in 2025, PayPal has rolled out new features like faster settlements and improved fraud protection, so double-check for any pop-up notifications about these. After entering your info, save your settings and head over to test the connection. Go to your Shopify store's checkout page and try a dummy transaction to ensure everything's working smoothly. If you hit any snags, like error messages or connection failures, verify your PayPal account status or check Shopify's Help Center for 2025 specific updates. It could be as simple as enabling two-factor authentication. And just like that, you're all set. Connecting PayPal to Shopify not only expands your payment options but also helps you reach more customers globally. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more e-commerce hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep building that empire.